अक्षय जंप कर. जंप कर जंप कर.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hey, good morning, friends. This is Roy Shri. Today is a Sunday morning, and it is 6:20. Today's ride is actually the excitement ride, guys, because this is a mystery ride. And yes, I am riding with RID. And one more announcement I have to do, guys, because before this I used to be into the RID interns group, but now I am being transferred to the RID main group, and that is really exciting for me to be a part of the RID's main group, hoping for getting me as promoted to the management team or maybe as the pilot team. देखते आगे क्या होता है. But yes, about today's ride, this is a mystery ride because only the management knows where the ride is gonna go. Rather than that, किसी को भी पता नहीं कि आज क्या होने वाला है, कहाँ पे राइड करने वाले हैं. आज लगता है कुछ मैराथन है. So for today the meetup point is Borivali National Park, and I was about to go with Akshay. I was about to meet him at 5:30, but I woke up late as usual, so I'm late. Now I have to catch them before the time because the meetup point is at National Park, which is at around 6:30. So now let's see whether I can reach there on time or not. Guys, about to leave National Park, but just now I received a call from one of my co-rider. He said that they have just left from the National Park and they told me to meet at Walton Hotel, which is ahead of the Daisar Bridge, which is now a big headache for me. Headache in the sense वो आधे घंटे का ट्रैफिक, halt, रुकना पड़ेगा and all that stuff. So this is the Borivali Cheknaka, Daisar Toll Plaza, you can say. So देखते हैं. So yes, guys, we have left. At last I made it on time. I reached not exactly on time because the meetup place was different and I met them on a different location, the Walton Hotel. चलो ठीक है, मिल तो गए. So now we are moving. So should I open up the suspense or should I not? Because the pilots, the management has told us where we are going at last. But for you guys, Should I open it or not? I'm but confused. क्या करूँ? चलो बोल ही देता हूँ. Guys, happy we are going to Dhabusa waterfall. Excited. It is located near around Igatpuri, which is almost around 100 and 125 kilometers. Suppose, I think so. I can't even say that मेरा GPS उतना बता रहा है because my phone, my wallet and everything, my valuable stuffs I have kept in my top box because it is raining as you can see, and I'm a bit scared कि अभी भी मैंने तो जुगाड़ कर लिया है GoPro बचाने का, बट ये जुगाड़ कितने हद तक चलता है नो आइडिया. सॉरी. सो लेट्स सी, क्योंकि अगर ये GoPro ख़राब हो गया तो आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन रादर देन गिविंग इट डायरेक्टली टू द कंपनी, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक कि यहाँ पे कोई बनाने वाला रहेगा, उसको रिपेयर करने वाला रहेगा. अगर कोई है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट मी डाउन, कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे एड्रेस या लिंक वट एवर यू कैन शेयर इट विद मी. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो, बट फिंगर्स क्रॉस, भगवान है अपने को बचाने के लिए यार. So guys, we are on the Ahmedabad highway, left from the Walton. यार आई एम वंडरिंग, क्या सस्पेंस सच्ची में खुल गया है? Did suspense has been opened by the management? Because management has told us Dhabusa and we are on Ahmedabad highway. People are saying it is in Igatpuri. I don't know where Dhabusa actually is, frankly speaking. But if it is in Igatpuri, then what are we doing on the Ahmedabad highway? And if it's not on Igatpuri, then it's okay. Then where it is? Or still they have kept the suspense. चलो देखते जो है वो. मेरी गलती रहेगी, there was my wrong guessing of mine, Igatpuri, because few told me that it is in Igatpuri, but बाद में मैंने I realized कि यार Ahmedabad highway and Igatpuri, what is the concern? Is there any route from this road to go to Nasik? इसी को शायद मिस्ट्री राइड कहते हैं. RID, man, you guys are really it is really feeling awesome. Some of the rider got some fault in his bike. That's the reason he had stopped. And to help him, Mr. Maskman, Edwin, he was assisting him. So guys, you can just see the mountains has been disappeared. It has been covered by the clouds, and she is Mansi. She is a RID pilot lady. You can see her in each and every ride, and her support is really really awesome. वो अपने आप को कभी अलग मानती नहीं है. The way, guys, I think we have taken a halt for a breakfast. Yes, halted at Food Highway. This is the place we're gonna have our breakfast today. Food Highway. And these are all the RID riders. Parking their bulls. These are all the riders over here. So guys, done with the breakfast. I also got a chance to check my air pressure, because last night I was just wandering here and there to look out some air station, but I didn't got any. Though I fueled up my tank last night only, but the guy who checks the air pressure was not present. So I got a chance now to check in, and now all good, ready to rock and roll. Right now we are at Manor, and from Manor, Dabosa is almost around 74 to 75 kilometers. And as I told you before, that few of my friends told me that it is near Igatpuri. Yes, you can go via Igatpuri also. There are two ways by which you can reach Dabosa waterfall. So I think so. And there goes the squid. कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे you won't get squid? Tell me. You find squid everywhere. Everywhere in, I think in India you will find squids everywhere. There is not a single place where you find a good rider. So see the way how the club helps you while passing through, crossing through some things, because there are stupid drivers on the road. You can see each and every time, each and every day in your life. Driver, he's been told that be out of the club, but still show off कर दे साले. यार क्या मिलेगा तुम लोगों को show off करके? We are riding for a fun, but the fun should not be like वो dangerous fun होना नहीं चाहिए. So we ride it safely, because you can see the total group is been properly geared up. Even the pillion is wearing the helmet, as you can see in front of me. There's a pillion lady, she's also wearing the helmet. मतलब क्या होता है कि आप जब टोटली प्रिपेयर रहते हो एक टू व्हीलर पे चलाने के लिए, तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है. और अगर आई भी तो you have a chance to face that problem. So I always suggest you guys, please while riding, please do wear your gears. If not proper gears, at least wear your helmet. It can save you from a big crash. छोटा मोटा खरोच चल जाता है, बट हेलमेट नी और सर पे we have to take a right turn from here. buses and all, because it's a village road, so not many like big vehicles come here. But like these squids, the squids such as them, you will be troubled. You can't have a like safe ride. अपने महाराष्ट्र में इतनी सारी जगह है देखने के लिए. Why do you have to go outside? Chummeshwari, man. पूरा यार ऑफ रोड का मजा आ गया आज तो बारिश में.
This is the Dabosa waterfall. As you can see, such a lovely place. And now we have to. अच्छा काम कर रहा है मदद कर रहे हैं कर रहे हैं मदद काम कर रहे हैं See the condition. These people were over there. देख लो भाई हालत देख लो ये लोग की हालत देख लो ये सब इसके पीछे ये बंदे का हाथ है He is the man behind this adventure. सबको थकाने के पीछे इसी का हाथ है
So guys, we have just left from the Dabosa Dam, Dabosa waterfall. Actually, I'm sorry that I won't be much audible to you because right now I'm not using my external mic.
So guys, we have taken a halt at some place. They say there's a valley out there. So we are just going to check the valley. This is while returning back because I didn't get a chance to shoot it from my GoPro because my battery is totally down. And like I can charge it on my bike, but the thing is it's the rainy season and I don't want to take a chance. But I've parked my bike for a minute. Then I've kept it for charging also.
Guys, we just took a small halt because there was a nice valley over here. So just to capture some good clicks. चल ना?
ग्रुप डिवाइड झाले. चौपोली कल्याण वेगळे आणि हे वेस्टर्न वाले वेगळे.
कुठे वेस्टर्न वाले?
वेस्टर्न वाले बाहेरच्या मागे.
थांब. वेस्टर्न वाले किधर जा रहे हैं? दो ग्रुप डिवाइड किया बोल रहे हैं ना?
हाँ पर अपन अलग जा रहे हैं ना अपन मनोर से जाएंगे ना हम लोग वारा से जाएंगे.
अब तो आप लोग कैसे जाने गए?
हम लोग मनोर से राइट मारेंगे हम लोग लेफ्ट मारेंगे विक्रांत.
चले अपने साथ कौन लीड कर रहा है फिर?
बहुत
है ना?
हाँ बहुत
Guys, we are on the Ahmedabad highway, hopping back to Mumbai. तो आज जितना भी मैंने कैप्चर कर लिया, it was all by luck. लक ही बोल सकते हैं बिकॉज जितना बैटरी था उतना मैंने चार्ज कर लिया. थोड़ा बहुत आई हैड कवर्ड फ्रॉम माई फ़ोन ऑल्सो, a bit I have covered from my another action camera, which is the China one. So guys, just tell me, how was the mystery ride today? Please comment it below. And I'm ending up my vlog over here because अभी तो पूरा अंधेरा हो चुका है and there is no use of shooting. So guys, please share my videos, like my videos. हाँ, dislike करना है तो भी कर सकते हो यार, it's your wish. But do comment तो ज़रूर कीजिए, अच्छा है बुरा है whatever. And last but not the least, please do subscribe my videos. So friends, this is Royal Shri signing off for the day. Be safe, ride safe, and as always RID says, be positive, be positive. Bye bye.